In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build logic with flow control, using router or repeater, and connect modules. We'll start right on the canvas of your automation or workflow. When you're ready to extend your flow, click the plus icon to add a new module. You'll usually see this appear next to an existing connection point or beneath the module where you want new logic to begin. If your canvas is crowded, zoom in a little so you can place the module exactly where it belongs. Think of this step as choosing the spot where your flow needs either a decision point or a loop. After clicking to add a module, you'll see a catalog or list of categories. From here, select Flow Control. This category is designed for shaping how your data or tasks move through the workflow. Flow control isn't about doing the work itself, it's about orchestrating it. Picking this category prepares you to add logic that can split your path or repeat a block of actions, which keeps your design clean and predictable as it grows. Within Flow Control, choose the tool that fits your situation: router or repeater. A router is best when you need to branch a single stream into multiple paths. For example, you might send orders over a certain amount one way and everything else another way. Each branch can handle a different outcome, which keeps your flow easy to read. A repeater, on the other hand, is for running the same set of actions multiple times, such as processing every item in a list or looping through records one by one. If you're unsure which to pick, ask yourself whether you need parallel paths or repeated passes through the same steps. Parallel paths point to router, repeated passes point to repeater. Once your tool is placed, connect your modules. Drag from the output of the preceding module to the input of your router or repeater. If you chose a router, you'll see multiple outputs you can connect to the next modules in each branch. Give each branch a clear visual path so it's obvious what flows where. If you chose a repeater, connect the next module directly after it, the one that should run for each item in the loop. Keep connections tidy, avoid crossing lines where possible, and ensure every module in the sequence has both an input and an output where needed. A clean set of connections makes it much easier to maintain and expand your workflow later. And that's it. Add a module, pick flow control, choose router or repeater, and connect everything clearly to guide your automation the way you intend.